O, diyan, may departure time na, di ba? So, nandito ko. Normally, nag-usap kami. So, ayoko. Tapos, sabi ni, somebody went to me, uy, ang ganda mo today. Hindi, mukha akong bangag. Gumuna ko. No reaction. So, hindi, bangag. Bangag is I said the bangag is the word of the day.
Yes.
Talaga, no reaction. So, yun. Then after that, talaga, I stopped there. I do it again. I mean, that's not right. You don't do that. That's entitled politics. You're in the government. You're the vice president.
Wala bang kahit na maikling sorry man lang after that?
Bad shot na yan sa akin.
Ganun po.
Unless she says sorry or whatever. Maybe she will. Maybe she crossed the line. And then going down sa Prague, nakita ko siya ulit, di ba? Sabi ni Bong,